Hello again guys, Andrew here, and we are back today with another video on how you can get YouTube views for free. And I'm talking about real views, no purchase promotion packages, no bot views, no nothing. I'm talking about organic views, and we are gonna do that by using this site called Dramata. Now if you already have a YouTube channel, and you probably have done your research on how to get YouTube views, and you might have heard of this site already. If you haven't, stay tuned, and before we continue, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss any future videos. Also, if you hit that notification bell. And after watching the video, feel free to leave any comments down below or any suggestions if you know any other site where you can get YouTube views, and I mean real views, okay? If you're thinking about any trick, any hack or whatever, don't even bother leaving a comment. I don't deal with that. I've tried it, it's not worth it. All right, so we are gonna do that by using this site DRUMMITUP.com, and I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video. All you have to do is click there and you will sign up for free. You will create a free account. Now this is basically a platform that hosts your YouTube videos and shares it within the platform, but not only, with all its users. And there are two types of memberships: a free member, which everyone is the moment they sign up, and also a prime member, which as of now is only $20 almost. All right, and I am a prime member. This is a one-time fee, and I'll explain in a little bit why I think this is a good idea to upgrade. Okay, now how it works is like that. When you create your account, you cannot upload right away a video, because to upload your video, as a free member, you first have to watch two of these videos here, the videos that appear on the home page of DRUMMITUP. Okay, and after watching those videos for the amount of time required, which I don't know, you can't tell right away, you can tell only after clicking and watching a video, and I cannot show you because I'm a prime member. You'll understand the difference. And then after watching these two videos, and those views will count for those videos, for that YouTube creator, all right, you will have the possibility to upload your own video. But as a free member, you can repeat this process. I think it was after 24 hours or maybe 48 hours, okay, as a free member. So this is basically it. You just click on two videos, watch those videos, upload your own afterwards, and see what happens with views. And as you can see here, these videos like 177 views, 15 likes, and maybe who knows how many shares, you know what I mean? 65 views, 97 views, 51 views, 30 views. I was scrolling down a lot more further earlier, and I saw a video with more than 1800 views, you know. But these are real views. I know it doesn't look much, all right, but are real views, organic views. And the process to upload a video, it's like 30 seconds at the most, but we'll get into that. Let me first show you my videos, and then I'll explain the Prime membership, and I'll show you how you can upload a video on DRUMMITUP. So if we go here to my profile picture, click on my videos, and as you can see, I'm a Prime member here. Alright, so these are all my videos, which are not all of my YouTube videos. Okay, and as you can see, this one here uploaded 2 weeks ago, it got 13 views, it got 1 like, and it got also 1 share. Now unfortunately I've deleted all notifications, but here before were 4 notifications about 4 of my videos being shared on social media. One of them was shared on Pinterest and the other 3 on Twitter. Okay, well, I didn't get hundreds of thousands of views, But that's another question, that's another problem. It doesn't, I mean, DRUMMITUP doesn't guarantee you that your video will get shared and probably go viral. I mean, they guarantee you that they will share your video equally on this platform, and if you get any clicks or if someone watches your video, you will get the view. And a view here is a view on YouTube, and it is 100% legit. YouTube recognizes these sites just like it does with other external sources as Easy Hits for You or VFly or DRUMMITUP as well. Okay? Now, what I do is the moment I upload a video on YouTube, I go right away here and upload it, the same video I uploaded here as well. The upload process though is quite simple. You can either click on this icon right here, or you can go to your profile and click on upload a video. So I'm gonna click right here, and this is how simple it is. You just enter your video URL, the title and description, which I copy pasted from the YouTube, which I already done there. And if you want, you can add tags. You have to choose a category. You have to check this, I created this content, okay, solve the captcha, whatever the captcha is, and then click on publish. All right. And as a Prime member, okay, so let me explain the membership. The advantage is that you don't have to watch any of these videos on a daily basis or every 2 days, and you can upload as many videos as you want all day long. Okay, so that's why I upgraded to Prime membership, because I wanted to upload the video whenever and wherever I wanted, however I wanted. All right. And not only that, but if we go here to one of my videos, let's say this one, if you click, it will take you to this page. And if you see here, there are two options. This one is pin. Pin your video. It means that when you pin it, it will come up here, the first one. Okay, now a couple of hours ago this video was the first one, but apparently another user pinned his video as well, and it goes on the first place. Now if I go here, which I intend to do, and I'm gonna pin this video, but first of all make sure you have a good looking thumbnail, okay, because it would show on the first page, on the first row, the first video. All right, just like these ones that have this pin icon here. Okay, so I'm gonna purchase, so I already said it, spoiler alert, so this service, this feature is not for free. Okay, it has 3 plans, 7 days, 14 days and 30 days. I think I'm gonna go with 30 days. I'm gonna order this package, not right now, but tomorrow morning maybe, and I'm gonna see how it goes, this video for 30 days. Or the other option, which is for free, but you can do it only 3 times every day, is this one, push up. Now this push up will take this video at the first place after all the pin videos. Alright, so let me just go here to DRUMMITUP. Now if we scroll down, you can see there are a lot of pin videos, okay, but they come to an end because not all members purchase the pin feature, the pin packages. Alright, now you don't want a pin video with no thumbnails at all, just like this. I wouldn't click on this. Alright, I don't care about the title or whatever. Okay, so let me just scroll a little bit more. There you go. There you go. This is the end of the pin videos, and then right after that, this is my video, as you can see. Alright, but one has to scroll down as I did in order to find my video and maybe click on it or not. Okay, but if you pin it, it will go right to the first place. Okay, so I've been using this site for a month now, maybe. No, I'm sorry, for like my first video, it's like 2 weeks ago maybe I uploaded my first video. Let's check. Okay, there you go. 16 days ago. Alright, so 16 days ago I got like, I don't know, maybe 50 views in total, 30 views in total. Well, it's a little too early. I know it's too early to tell because um, organic views take more time to come, right? I I already mentioned that we are not talking about purchasing any package or buying direct views, all right? I don't trust that thing, okay? So I don't know, guys, if you already use DRUMMITUP, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, okay? In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. And if you want to learn another very simple way to get YouTube views, just click this video on the screen right now. And hopefully I'll see you in there. Cheers!